Want to use Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, all without paying a cent? Here's how to use Microsoft Office completely free, right from your browser. Open your browser and go to office.com. This is Microsoft's official site for using Office apps online. No need to download anything. Click Sign In. If you don't have a Microsoft account, just click Create One. It's completely free. Once you're logged in, you'll see all the Office apps: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, and more. These are web-based versions. You can create, edit, and save documents right in your browser. Your files are automatically saved in OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage. You get 5 GB for free to store all your documents. You can also download the Microsoft Office app on your phone or tablet and access everything on the go, still 100% free. So there you go. Use Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint completely free. No license, no hassle. Like and subscribe Social Tool 101 for more tech tips.